Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big super out of Roselle. Out of Roselle people, and I see where them are concrete a section of the road right in the vicinity of the Roselle waterfall. Shelley, what your opinion on the whole idea of having actually a concrete road out here at the waterfall?
And in terms of durability, it's a good idea.
Some viewers and sub, we're out here with the out of Roselle. Yeah, we're there in the vicinity of the waterfall. We're there in the vicinity of the so time and temperature check, people. Time and temperature check. It's 11:32, 31 degrees, people. Yeah, it's a Saturday, 2023, people. And Big Super is out here, out of Roselle. We are look on the roadway, and we are take a look at the road condition, and we are look on the paving work where take place out in the vicinity, at the Roselle waterfall. And we don't know if we're going to get anybody to speak with, but as usual, we walk here and look at it. So we see work taking place out here, and so far it's a good look. My viewers and subscriber, it's a good look. Work are going out here. And the viewers and sub, Big Super is on the road, taking a walk, looking at what's taking place out here in the vicinity at the Roselle waterfall. So, so them are concrete the road, people, in the vicinity here. And we welcome that because, this section of the road here, sometimes you have issues with it at times, where at times maybe the surface at times it will like go up and down to the sea. We have the seashore and all these things, so it might make a lot of difference to the surface of the roadway. So when them concrete it, you might get a better driving surface of the road, as viewers and subscribers. So we're on the road, and we walk around to the corner to make you guys see exactly what taking place out here in Roselle. And we see where them concrete the road, the viewers and sub. And it's a good look. It's a good look. We see how the road are concrete out here. The work team out here doing a wonderful job, and we're not going to disturb them people because them are working, and things, and we don't see anybody for really what we know we're going to talk with. But work taking place out here right in the vicinity of the Roselle waterfall. Hello my fans, I'm out here with Shelley. I'm right out of Roselle Fall here, and I'm glad to see you. But what's your opinion on the whole idea of having actually a concrete road out here at the waterfall?
Alright, so as most persons know, when we're going into Kingston, we would have already seen a section from the cement company going in. And in terms of durability, it's a good idea. So we have to just, and it's a water area, so maybe this section would be suitable to concrete to keep off, the water and to prevent the asphalt from breaking up. So, it saves a lot of money in the long run. Maybe it's a good idea, so let's wait and see.
Alright, thank you. the concrete, the surface around the waterfall. So we just take a walk further up the road. It was and stuff. So you know, say when it finished, it's supposed to have a wonderful, beautiful look. So you guys maybe can stop by when the whole of that stretch of road and get back on a nice little bar, to a nice little beard and all these things. When I always I get and things. So them are concrete in the vicinity of the Roselle waterfall, and maybe the engineer they might look at it and tell and say to themselves it might work out better for them when them concrete it in the vicinity here. So I don't know what kind of thought process go in the decision making to concrete it, but the viewers and stuff, as you can see, in the vicinity of the Roselle waterfall, it's a concrete, and I don't know how far up them going concrete the Roselle waterfall to. Yeah, I don't know how far up them going bring it to. I see where the road, the original paving, it stopped somewhere in the vicinity here. So maybe them are concrete from round that side, come all the way around to this side, the viewers and subscriber. So we don't know how far them are bring the concrete process to. But so far it's a good look. The viewers and sub concrete in the road around here and thing. And I guess it will give the fall a kind of upliftment look, you know, a new look out here on the road. And we just walk up to the pipeline. The water still around and all these things. Some viewers and sub, I hope you enjoy the little walk the big super make out here. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell.